Amo ka po akit awam met pay. Sabi ko mga digito sumaron no nga alal daw akit may kandan tumet lang iti tsansa no destiny ti mga iba nga makapagsaritan to. Ket no in terms of nakapya po ket awam met iti masapol na pinagkapya ta dito ket lawan laing iti politika ket haamya ta personal iti ti ti pinang tratarda no di ket di election laing. When it terms to the possibility of reconciliation between the present mayor and the previous mayor, the mayor sees it that it is not a personal grudge, meaning it is only a friendly competition during the election. So, in the future, we are expecting if destiny comes that they would be able to sit down and they could talk with other matters, but not as to reconciliation kasi hindi naman talagang grudge or wala namang animosity between the two persons. Opo.